Hey traders, have you ever felt the rush of a big win, only to watch it all vanish in one bad move? I'm Alliance of Strategies, and today we're diving into the ultimate guide to protect your capital and trade fearlessly. Many blow their accounts by ignoring basic risk management, but not you. Stick around for these game-changing tips, and I'll show you why revenge trading is your worst enemy. Let's turn losses into lessons and build that unbreakable mindset. Ready? Let's go! Main tips, the don'ts. First off, no overleveraging. Using massive lot sizes might seem tempting for quick gains, but one bad trade can wipe you out. Keep your risk under 1 to 2% per trade. That's your safety net. Next, ditch revenge trading. Lost a trade? It stings, I know, but chasing losses with emotional bets? That's a fast track to bigger disasters. Accept it, analyze what went wrong, and move on. Don't ignore stop losses, ever. Always set one to cap your downside. Trading without it is like skydiving without a parachute. Protect your funds, no excuses. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. If a single trade could wreck your finances or keep you up at night, you're in too deep. Scale back and trade smart. And finally, no entering trades without a plan. Don't jump in just because you feel the market's vibe. Every move needs a clear strategy, entry, exit, and risk rules. Random trades are gambling, not trading. The power of risk management and calculations. Now, let's talk recovery. The market will test you. It's your choice. Recover with confirmed setups or lose more to emotions. Remember, money management and risk management are the Forex Holy Grail. Have you ever lost everything due to a revenge mindset? It's brutal, but preventable. Here's the math. If you risk 2% per trade, you'd need to lose 50 trades in a row to blow your entire account. That's 50 times 2% equaling 100% loss. Break it down. 2% risk, 50 losing trades to zero out. A 5% risk, just 20 losses. 10% risk, 10 losses. 20% risk, 5 losses. 25% risk, 4 losses. A 50% risk, 2 losses. A 100% risk, 1 and done. Key takeaway, risk less, lose small. Don't trade every signal. Wait for confirmed setups. Adjust your position size using an online lot size calculator. It'll save you big time. Positives. Flip the script to the positives. Stick to risk management, stay patient, and trade smart. Build discipline. It's what separates pros from blowouts. Trade only at confirmed setups. Use tools like lot size calculators to fine-tune. Remember, the market's pull-down is temporary if you manage risk right. If you've blown an account before, you're not alone. But today, commit to change. No more emotions, just calculated, fearless moves. Conclusion and call to action. So, traders, avoid the pitfalls. No overleveraging, no revenge. Always use stop losses. Risk only what you can afford and plan every trade. With solid risk management, you'll need a streak of bad luck to lose it all. And by then, you'll have learned to pivot. Trade fearless, not reckless. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your stories in the comments. Have you overcome revenge trading? Drop a comment below. For more tips, check my next video on confirmed setups. Stay strong, and see you in the markets.